Meet the all-new 2025 Toyota Camry, a sleek and refined sedan that's designed to turn heads and redefine comfort. Whether you're in the market for a family car, a daily commuter, or simply something stylish, this year's Camry is ready to deliver. So what's new, what's exciting, and why should you care? Let's dive in. Up front, you've got sleek LED headlights that not only improve visibility but give the car a futuristic feel. The refreshed body has a lower stance, and the sculpted rear end, featuring new taillights, adds a touch of elegance. And don't forget those stunning wheel designs that really complete the look. Now, step inside, and you'll feel the true meaning of comfort and sophistication. The interior of the 2025 Camry combines premium materials with modern technology to create a truly inviting space. The centerpiece is Toyota's latest 9-inch touchscreen, now featuring even more intuitive connectivity. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Alexa integration come standard, making your ride feel effortlessly connected. And if you're a tech lover, the available heads-up display will keep all your important info right at eye level. But what about the power under the hood? The 2025 Toyota Camry doesn't disappoint. It comes with a choice of two engine options. The base 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers a smooth 203 horsepower, ideal for city commutes and highway cruising. If you're looking for something more eco-friendly, the hybrid model offers a great balance of power and efficiency, with an impressive combined 208 horsepower and an exceptional fuel economy, ensuring fewer stops at the gas station. Toyota is known for its commitment to safety, and the 2025 Camry is no exception. It's equipped with the Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus suite, which includes pre-collision system, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. So, whether you're looking for style, performance, or cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Toyota Camry delivers it all in a package that's as sleek as it is powerful. It's a car that offers something for everyone, and it might just be the perfect fit for your next ride. Want to see more? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you drive the 2025 Camry? Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.